Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the Linteater Rotary Dryer Vent Cleaning System. So this one's a very simple product and it helps you clean your dryer vent. I'm not paid by the vendor, so I thought I'm gonna give you an honest opinion about this product and what the gotcha is on. So first of all, over time your lint gets built up on the dryer when you dry your clothes a lot, especially if you have a long run like this case. So this line over here gets clogged through with lint, and you definitely need to clean it over time. Otherwise you're going to have problems with fire hazard, or you're going to have moisture buildup from the lint, which I encountered myself personally. And also your dryer time would take longer, and as it take longer your dryer runs longer. And I have problems with the heating element burning out because my dryer took so long to dry the clothes. So if you clean it and maintain it, then you're not going to run into this problem that much. So you do need a drill to get the brush to turn on this thing. Note that the before and after is very dramatic in this thing, so I'm not sure you're going to get exactly that clean, but it's going to be pretty clean from my personal experience. Okay, so let's take a look at this item over here. So there are a number of things they clean. Getting to the point, it cleans the dryer vent, the dryer interior of the dryer. It also could clean underneath the fridge, the baseboard, etc. Right? Even the downspouts, it comes with a tool to do that. The grabber tool, maybe grabs the leaf or something. I don't know. I don't know about the pellet stove vent, so I never used it for that, so I can't speak for that. And of course, this product has been highly reviewed, and many people have a lot of positive notes about it. There is one gotcha I mentioned right now. I'll probably repeat it. It's basically um, don't counterclockwise reverse it out of the drill. If you use the drill, because otherwise that thing may get stuck, and you might lose all the rods inside your unit. I lost my brush there and had to retrieve it out, and that took a lot of time. So it has the rods, it has the brushes, it has the grab tool, and it has the adapters as well. So that's something in short. I'm going to do a unboxing what's inside as well too. Video unboxing this one. So first of all, you do have the book, the Linteater operation manual, they call it, I guess. And they have the grab tool that's inside there. As you can see that little bag inside. So that's that part. Definitely great to read this thing. You have 4 rods that makes 12 feet. They have twisties. They twist on clockwise. Just note that. They have a brush. This is the one you use for the lint for the exterior of the house. This one you use for the dryer. If you need to clean that. So this is the attachments they come. Vacuum and dryer adapter. Back to this one. Oops. Just wanted to point out that this red thing is the end, so it won't damage anything supposedly. This is the one you use for the for the exterior of the house, and you attach it with Allen wrench. You see this notch over here? You put that screw in there, so you make it tight. Make it very tight. Otherwise, you could lose your brush in there. If you're not careful. You don't want the brush to be stuck in your pipe, your vent pipe. And in my case, my run is very long, so I need to buy extra set. So this is my 12 extra feet. So it makes 24 feet total. So I have a pretty long run from the dryer to the exterior of the house. The longer the run, the more likely that you're going to have a lot of lint build up. So you could tell when you're drying your clothes, it takes a long time. So connect one end to the brush, of course. Then the other end, you just twist it on. At the end, the last one, you take the end over here, also put it to the drill as well. Once you do that, you twist, it will turn, and with the brush, then you got the vent line cleaned. So I want to do this a number of times. Actually, I did it like about 5 or 6 times at least total. So when you put a blower on the other side, where you're blowing and also cleaning, a lot of the lint will come out because you loosen it from the vent line. So this is the brush to use. Notice that it's also like a screw-on type of thing, right? So that's pretty much what you need to do. Be patient when you're cleaning. I would suggest you also wear a mask to protect, getting into your nose. Found that out also from personal experience, and also it gets over your hair. It's okay to get over your hands, I guess. It's not really that dirty, this thing. Notice the quality. This is a nice little metal piece at the bottom, and each one of these rods doesn't break off or anything cheap, so it's not flimsy, and it's a very good product. It's a really sturdy product, and I actually really like this product. I had a different one before, but this one way much better. One other note is these lines you could buy separately, as I mentioned, and you also could buy many different ones as well. So they're all twist on. Don't reverse out when you're using a drill. If you reverse when you do the drill, this thing could get loose, and it gets stuck, and there you go, your line is stuck. You don't want the rods to be stuck with your brush in your dryer. You're gonna have major problems that happen. So be very careful in using this product. As I learned, first I got, almost got one of the brushes tangled, and yeah, read the manual if you're not sure. So definitely read that, and I would say it's a recommended buy from me. Hope you liked the video. I hope this helps you out and save you some money. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.